here's a quick tutorial on how to record reading a story using Zoom. So you're going to go ahead and launch your Zoom session. But don't push record yet. I would close this window out, maximize this one, go ahead and close the microphones at the top. All right, before you start recording, you're going to share the screen. So go down to where it says share screen, the green arrow. Look for the window that you would like to share. This one we're going to use Bear Stays Up for Christmas, our Google slide presentation. We're going to share. And I'm going to minimize this. And I can move things around on the screen if I want to. I want to go to present from beginning. And as you've noticed, I haven't pressed record yet, so I'm going to do that right now. So I go up where it says more and click on record. Now I am going to start recording my story, Bear Stays Up for Christmas by Karma Wilson. And you can just click onto the screen to go to the next slide. The day before Christmas, snuggled on his floor, Bear sleeps soundly with a great big snore. When I am done with my recording, after I have finished the book, I'm going back to more, and I'm going to stop recording. Now, I am still in my Zoom session, so I need to stop sharing. I'm not recording anymore, which is great. So I'm going to go up here to stop share. I am back to my regular Zoom. It's black because I have my camera closed off right now. And that's it. You're going to go and you're going to end your Zoom session. It's down here. I don't know if you can see it with Screencast-O-Matic, but you're going to click on a red button that says end, and then a red button that says end meeting for all. And to get out of it's going to convert your meeting recording, and it will save it to your videos or wherever you're going to have your Zoom videos saved. And to get out of this screen, I'm going to click escape, and I am back on my regular computer screen. Easy peasy.